What's up, SLAPSTARs, and welcome to a very special episode of Behind the Slap. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made the beat for Don't Do It, featuring the one and only legendary Mistah Fab. So yeah, I met Mr. F.a.b. 3-4 years ago in Berkeley. Got to talking about music, how I was born and raised in San Francisco, California. I'm trying to bring the hyphy movement back. At the time, you know, still.
Ghost ride the whip.
But yeah, anyways, we exchanged information. I got his email, and as soon as I made the beat, I laid down 2 verses on it and a hook, and then I sent it to him right away. And as soon as he got it, he emailed me back saying, yeah, he's fooling with it, he likes it, he's gonna hop on it. And within 24 hours, literally, he sent me his verse, a cappella, and it was fire. And I didn't have to do too much editing, not too much mixing, because he recorded it really well, and I guess that's why he's the legend, you know. But yeah, it's one of my favorite songs off the album, off of Slap City, and I'm really proud of it because I've been listening to Mistah Fab since I was in like middle school, even younger. Like, he's a legend. I never thought that I would meet him, first of all, let alone work with him. So God bless. God is great, thank God. And yeah, like, it's like the first step, like, oh, dreams can come true, huh?
Yeah.
So never give up. And that's just step 1. I'm still going to the top, man. That's just the Bay Area. I'm trying to go international, with your help, of course.
Yeah.
But yeah, without further ado, let's go behind the slap.
SLAPSTAR.
Alright, so when I make my beats, usually I add the 808s later after I add the kicks and the claps. But for this beat, I started with the 808. Alright, next I'm going to add a snap. Alright, it's already sounding good, but I'm going to add a little bit more percussion right now. Alright, so I use a chant in all my beats, and for this beat I use this one. Gives it a little flavor. Yeah, okay. as the beat builds up, usually after the first 4 bars of the verse, I replace the snap with a clap, just to give it more energy. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let's record the main melody. Alright, so that's the main melody. You could hear that for about 2/3 of the track for both of my verses and the hook. But when Mistah Fab comes in, I use a different melody and a different instrument to kind of make his verse stand out even more than it already does. So let me show you guys what I did for that. Let's take a listen.
Yeah.
SLAPSTAR.
What? Whoa. Told you this some motherfucking dumb shit. Type of song to make your lady come quick. Probably dick her down when you out of town. Thirst the hoe swallow like a sun kiss. That bitches eat me like a drumstick. 2:30 and I still ain't had lunch yet. Posted on a cloud, marijuana loud. Tongue twist, make a bitch do a front flip. When I'm in the club, I be busy with it. She looking for love, then I'm trying to give it. Why she gotta give me hugs for like 5 seconds? Let go with them cuffs, that's a life sentence. Drop it to the ground, make the booty bounce. Your girl on the mound, so we bat around. Clean up, hit her on deck. Let me touch it, you gon' act out the fence. Told you not to leave a bitch around me. Ay, don't do it. Don't do it. Told you not to leave a bitch around me. Ay, don't do it. Don't do it.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this week's episode of Behind the Slap. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something from this video. If you did, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And yeah, if you are interested in purchasing any beats or leasing beats or watching more of these videos, go ahead and go to SLAPSTARSF.com and you can find everything related to SLAPSTAR on that website. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
First mistake was introducing us, cuz you knew she was a fan, she told you who I was. She eyed me like you ain't even exist. Whispered in my ear, boy, I want that dick. So I shot her a room key, told her to meet me there. She wore a raincoat, nothing under there. Something like Jacqueline, yeah. She came and then she squirted like rain. Her hair game was insane, she really thick with her brain. I got it.